with Susanna. This is Susanna. And she represents all the amazing microcredit clients that we support around the world. And this is our show. Today we'll be making South African pickled mangoes, or Atchar. It is kick. This one's going to be quick. We're going to add our vinegar, all the spices, cumin, curry, ginger, mustard seeds. We have the chili powder, garlic, salt, and good old honey. Reduce your heat to medium and stir occasionally for 5 to 6 minutes. Don't let this bad baby burn. Now that it's thick, remove from heat and whisk in your oil. Wait, this is thicking up, right? All there's left to do is to add your mangoes. Mix this baby up. Yummy! This is looking delicious. Oh, Susanna was telling me if we were South African, then we'd be putting this outside for a couple weeks. But I'm not sure what the health department would have to say about that. So we'll be placing it in the fridge overnight instead. Susanna and I really enjoy the South African pickled mango with chicken or fish. Or on a cheese plate with some of our best friends. Right, guys? We're the 3 best friends that anyone's ever had. We're the 3 best friends that